Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BorgBackup with S3 on EC2 detailed guide step by step clearly. Launch your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Select the region where you want to launch your instance. Click on the Launch Instances button. Choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, that suits your needs. Select an instance type based on your requirements. Configure the instance details to suit your configuration needs. Add storage by specifying the size and type of volume required. Tag your instance for better organization if needed. Configure the security group to allow SSH access. Review your settings and launch the instance. Connect to your EC2 instance via SSH. Update the package manager on your instance. Install the necessary dependencies for BorgBackup. Use the package manager to install BorgBackup. Create an S3 bucket in your AWS Management Console. Set the appropriate permissions for your S3 bucket. Configure an IAM policy to allow EC2 access to the S3 bucket. Attach the IAM role to your EC2 instance. Verify the IAM permissions to ensure access to the S3 bucket. Open a terminal on your EC2 instance. Initialize a new Borg repository using the S3 URL format. Use the command line to set up a Borg repository on S3. Configure Borg to use your AWS credentials. Test the connection to the S3 bucket using Borg. Create a backup with Borg to ensure everything is functioning properly. Monitor the backup process for any issues. Verify that the backup was successfully uploaded to your S3 bucket. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.